How can I remove all the rulers guides on Wix editor? I'm gonna show you in this Wix editor tutorial, and if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more and like this video. I really appreciate it. So here I have, I've just added few rulers guides, and now if I want to remove those, you can click on tools here, but I think here, if you actually uncheck rulers, if you enable rulers again, we'll actually add them again. We'll actually remember the rules that you added. So what you're gonna need to do to remove all the rulers is if you actually click on those rulers here, it's gonna add one. But if you want to delete one, you're gonna have to right click and then here remove this ruler guide, and then remove vertical rulers guides. Then you can remove all the rulers. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Save you some time, you learn some things. So yeah, thanks for watching.